Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a delicious crispy potatoes. Before I begin, I want to thank you for ongoing support, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. For my recipe, I'm using 4 pounds of potatoes. Guys, make sure you wash your potatoes very well. Now, I'm cutting them like that. After cutting the potatoes, I'm going to put them in frozen water for 10 minutes. Now, I'm using a napkin to dry the potatoes. For seasoning, I'm using paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. I like to mix all together and adding them in the potatoes. Next, some flour. Okay guys, now our potatoes are ready to cook. I'm going to cook the potatoes for 5 minutes on each side. After 10 minutes, I'm going to move my potatoes, guys. These potatoes are ready to enjoy with your family. If you enjoyed my video, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Give it a like and share it with family and friends. See you in the next video. Goodbye.